Brace yourself. Giants of Steel are here machines that shred solid metal, crush wood, smash plastic, and flatten cars into scrap in seconds. This is raw industrial power like you've never seen. Welcome to Mr. B.O. Are you ready to face it? Meet the Zato Cayman RB, a true beast of steel. Built to slice through the heaviest rails with unstoppable force, it turns even the toughest steel into neat, recyclable chunks. Precision, power, and performance, this machine makes scrap into treasure. Fully aligned with the 3R principles, the RSS rotor scrap shear is built for durability and high performance. It integrates precision ground blades with a reinforced heavy-duty frame. Its mechanism ensures continuous, stable operation with minimal downtime, maximizing efficiency in demanding recycling applications. Pressure. The Raptor TC200 is a powerhouse shredder delivering 200 horsepower. Its drive system keeps running even if the shaft jams, a critical feature when processing massive off-the-record tires. This engineering ensures steady performance and minimizes costly downtime. This crusher is 85 years old yet still in service. It runs on a classic jaw system instead of modern hydraulics. The operator maintains it by oiling the shaft daily and adjusting the flywheel tension. It proves how rugged old machines were built. The HP 110 press generates massive force, compressing dense steel beams into recyclable forms. This capability reflects the fusion of power and precision in modern industrial engineering, supporting sustainable material recovery. durability and high output, the 1150 Durat HP engine combines crushing power with smooth operational flow. It efficiently processes tons of biomass, preventing decomposition and waste while maintaining consistent, reliable performance. With each rotation, the fast shredder converts immense pressure into controlled fragmentation, producing uniform scrap that is immediately ready for reuse. Unveil the Ram TRD-40. Engineered with next-level air control, it achieves superior performance by capturing dust and neutralizing odors with exact precision. Covering spaces up to 40 square meters, it creates an environment that stays pure, refreshing, and easy to breathe. The Recycle ECA mobile press compresses massive volumes of recyclables into dense bales, achieving a processing capacity of up to 100 tons per day. Its compact chassis conceals a powerful hydraulic system, integrated with advanced sensors to optimize performance and ensure consistent efficiency. From a distance, the site appears to bring order to chaos, compressing irregular scrap into uniform bales ready for mill processing. It stands as a technological bridge between material reduction and resource renewal, redefining recycling as a mark of true industrial progress. The cutting teeth engage steel beams with remarkable efficiency. This process is not uncontrolled force, but a clear demonstration of precise momentum transfer. Amid the growing challenges of global waste, this machine plays a vital role in resource recovery. It transforms discarded materials into valuable assets through efficient shredding technology. Watching the QR700 inches action reveals its ability to efficiently process large volumes of wood with consistent throughput. Both engaging to observe and highly effective, the machine showcases the true power of industrial-scale recycling technology. Introducing the ACA Crusher, an eco-friendly solution built for high-capacity shredding. It easily handles pallets, doors, and frames while simultaneously extracting nails and screws. Designed for long-term durability, it offers adjustable output sizes to meet a wide range of operational demands. When the PC shredder powers on, it rapidly breaks down aluminum, circuit boards, and plastics. As it runs, you can witness sparks flying, hear the crackling sounds, and watch the metal twist apart under immense force. The Q85 demonstrates astonishing power, effortlessly reducing steel drums in size. By combining torque with momentum, the system achieves deformation beyond conventional expectations, showcasing the true efficiency of engineered physics. The hammer mill provides consistent particle size reduction, while the zigzag separator enables precise density-based classification. Following this process, the magnetic separator efficiently extracts ferrous metals, ensuring reliable material recovery. Observe the Boulomatic Crusher's integrated hammer system as it applies raw hydraulic force to break plastic barrels into uniform fragments. This process illustrates advanced engineering, merging high-capacity shredding with efficient recycling performance. The AMA 1,350-ton shear demonstrates advanced engineering capability. And with the integration of a secondary dairy shear, the system achieves higher operational efficiency, enabling precise material cutting and improved throughput for demanding recycling applications. Breaking down outdated keyboards offers more than just visual appeal. It showcases real progress in e-waste management. With each snap and fracture, valuable materials are reclaimed, ensuring plastics and metals return to the recycling cycle instead of swelling landfill waste. Picture it like a cinematic close-up. The hydraulic press descends slowly, carrying a silent yet overwhelming weight. Pressure spreads evenly across the aluminum bar, then suddenly, crack! A sharp sound signals its surrender. Moments later, fine shards of shimmering metal burst free, dropping into the collection bin like silver fragments, both precise and powerful in their display of technology. This process may take additional time at the beginning for the next batch of recycled materials, but it is necessary to separate them to ensure the materials are clean and free of impurities. With the support of this large shredder, everything becomes much simpler. The old cassette tape is a keepsake of its time, and I'm sure you also have memories of it. The crackling sound, the act of rewinding with a pen, the love songs of youth, all have become beautiful memories, reminding us of a simple yet deeply emotional era. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment and share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. See you soon on our next adventure.